Hi, this video is about how to create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11. Also, downloading a Windows 11 ISO file for this purpose. So let's check how you can do that. How you can create a bootable USB flash drive for the Windows 11. For that, first you have to go to the Windows Insider program. So I'm just searching for Windows Insider program. Windows Insider. After that, just go to this website, Insider program website. Here you can see that I have already logged into the Windows Insider program. That is why you see my account here. So if you do not have an Insider program, then you have to register for a Windows Insider program with Microsoft. If you do not have an account, then go and register for an account here. I'll register. Now just click on the ISO. Now from here you can select the edition which you want. As you can see here, you can select the preview which you want. I'm selecting the latest one, the dev channel 22,000.132, or the dev channel or the beta channel. I'm selecting the beta. You have to select the beta channel, then click on Confirm. Now you can select the product language. I am selecting it English. I'm clicking on Confirm. Now you can see that the 64-bit download is available, and I'll click on that. Now you can see that it is getting downloaded. It is getting downloaded. By the time we will go and create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11. For that, you have to go and search for RUFs. Now click on it. Now go down and download RUFs 3.15. Now let's open it. Just run RUFs, and you can see that you have to add a flash drive. A 8 GB flash drive, minimum 8 GB is required for this, and I added a 8 GB flash drive. Then you have to select the ISO file. Now click on open. Now click start. It will give a warning that all the files in that device will be removed, deleted, then click on OK. Now you can see that the status is progressing. It is copying ISO files. Now after the ISO file are copied to the USB drive, you can see that the USB bootable drive is created. These are the files that will be inside the drive. Uh, if you go back to this PC, you can see that the bootable USB is created. So you can click on setup to install the Windows 11 latest version. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.